My name is Jared Morgan. I'm an insurance agent with Bradshaw and Will, and we're going to talk about who liability insurance covers. Liability insurance, and I'm going to use general liability on a business to use in my examples. Liability insurance is designed to cover the individual or the business named on the policy. So the named insured is provided coverage. Now, if the named insured is a corporation, that coverage is typically extended to the employees and the owners of the business. However, if there's a subsidiary with a different name and it's a different organization and they do different things, if they're not named on the policy, they may not have coverage. It's something you need to discuss with your insurance agency and your company. But who it covers, it's designed to protect the people named on the policy. Now, there are certain circumstances where you might want to be named on someone else's policy. If you're an owner of a lot and you're going to hire a contractor to build a house for you, you want to be named on the liability policy of the contractor, because if the contractor makes a mistake and he gets sued because you own the property, you're going to get named in that lawsuit. You want to be an additional named insured on his policy so that his policy will protect you in addition to the contractor for the contractor's negligence. So there are times when you want to be named on someone else's policy, or someone else may want to be named on your policy. And in that situation, you would ask for a certificate of insurance showing that you were named on that individual's policy. These are definitely topics you want to discuss with your insurance professional, especially because when you design coverage, who's named on the policy is one of the basic and most critical questions that need to be reviewed and asked, especially if you have different aliases or different operating companies that you have or subsidiaries. And you want as many of those, if they're all going to be covered under the policy, you typically want them all named on the policy, depending on the situation. My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw and Will. We've been discussing who liability insurance covers. Thanks.